The idea that PiNetwork miners could become millionaires is speculative and depends on numerous factors, including the platform's success, adoption, and eventual value of the Pi cryptocurrency. Below are 20 reasons why some people believe PiNetwork miners have the potential to achieve significant wealth. However, note that these are hypothetical and should not be considered financial advice. 1. Early adoption. Advantage. Early miners of successful cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin often benefit from exponential price increases due to limited supply and increased demand. Second, scarcity. As mining becomes more challenging over time, the supply of Pi will reduce, potentially increasing its value if demand grows. 3. Wide user base. PiNetwork already boasts millions of users, making it one of the largest cryptocurrency communities, which could drive adoption and increase its value. Ease of use. The simplicity of mining Pi via a mobile app makes it accessible to a global audience, fostering widespread participation. 5. Strong vision. PiNetwork aims to be a user-friendly cryptocurrency for everyday transactions, appealing to both crypto enthusiasts and mainstream users. 6. Decentralization. Focus. If Pi achieves true decentralization, it could attract investors looking for transparent and secure systems. 7. Potential utility. Pi's use in transactions, apps, and as a medium of exchange within its ecosystem could drive demand and increase its value. 8. Network effects. With millions of active miners, the network's growth could create significant economic value, increasing the worth of Pi. 9. Marketplace opportunities. If Pi creates a robust marketplace for goods and services, it could increase its real-world utility and attract users. 10. Global reach. Pi is accessible to users worldwide, potentially making it a global currency for unbanked and underbanked populations. 11th. Blockchain technology. If Pi develops a secure and efficient blockchain, it could attract projects and partnerships, increasing its value. 12th. Scarcity over time. The mining rate of Pi decreases as more people join, ensuring limited future supply. 13th. Partnership potential. Collaborations with businesses, financial institutions, and developers could boost its adoption and credibility. 14. Increased awareness of crypto. Growing global interest in cryptocurrency may lead to higher adoption rates for Pi. 15. Positive market trends. A bullish crypto market could elevate Pi's value along with other cryptocurrencies. 16. Pioneering mobile mining. PiNetwork's innovative mobile mining approach may attract a unique user base compared to traditional mining methods. 17th. Economic value of community. A large active user base is a valuable asset that could attract advertisers, developers, and businesses to the network. 18. Future exchange listings. If Pi is listed on major cryptocurrency exchanges, it could gain liquidity and exposure, driving up its value. 19th. Potential as a stablecoin. If Pi becomes stable and widely used for transactions, it could see massive adoption and valuation. 20. Speculative investment. Early adopters of cryptocurrencies often see massive returns due to speculation and market enthusiasm.